Hello guys, welcome to Himmel 356 quick math tutorial. Today I will show you how you can find the square root of any number. To use our method, we at least need to know the square of these numbers from 1 to 10. Let's jump into our method. To find the square root, we will take the first two digits. Here it's 29. The last digit of 29 is 9. So where we have 9 in our list, 3 square equal to 9 and 7 square equal to 49. Let's bring them. 3 square equal to 9 and 7 square equal to 49. Now we have 7 in our hand. What's the nearest value of 7? 4 and 9. We will always take the smaller one, so we will take 2. Let's take 2 and put them before 3 and 7. So our answer either 23 or 27. Now let's find it out. So let's take 2 from here. Increase 2 by 1. So 2 plus 1, 3. Multiply them. 2 into 3 equal to 6. Now we need to check is 6 is greater than 7 or not. 6 is less than 7. As 7 is bigger number than 6, so we will take 27 as our answer. So our answer is 27. Let's jump into another example to make it more clear. So we will take the last two digits. So last two digit 61. So last digit we have 1. So where do we have 1? 1 square equal to 1 and 9 square equal to 81. Let's bring them here. 1 square, 9 square. Now we have 47 in our hand. So what's the nearest value of 47? Either 49 or 36. We will always take the smaller one. So 36, 6. Let's take 6 from here and put them before 1 and 9. Now our answer is either 61 or 69. Let's find out. So take 6, increase the 6 by 1. So 6 plus 1 equal to 7. So 6 into 7 equal to 42. Let's compare 42 with 47. 47 is bigger number. As 47 is greater than 42, we will take the bigger number as our answer. So the bigger number between 61 and 69 is 69. So our answer is 69 square. Let's jump into our last example. So let's take the last two digits, 25. Where do we have 5? Only in 5. So let's take it. Now we have 110 in our hand. So what's the nearest value? 10 square. So let's bring it here. Let's take 10 from here and put it before 5. So as we do not have any other option, so our answer is 105 square. If this was helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content. Thank you.